So I actually have something to showcase for you all today, and that is Carpod Go. So I've been meaning to swap out my infotainment system with the Uconnect because the Uconnect is not working on my charger. The map went out. Not only has the map went out and just it's not working, but sometimes Bluetooth will act a bit funny. Now it works, but there's times where it acts funny. And coincidentally, after I was looking for iPads to just have displayed over my current display with the Uconnect, Carpod Go has reached out to me, and now I'm going to make a video showcasing this beautiful display. And we're going to use Apple CarPlay. You do have an option between Apple CarPlay and the Android, but because I have an iPhone, Apple CarPlay is more suitable for me. Team Apple, you already know. All right, so here's the box of Carpod Go. This is how it looks. Beautiful box. We're going to unwrap the box right now. So I'm going to use my box cutter like I had used earlier. All right, and then you come across this cover to protect the screen. And voila. So here's the display. So here's the touchscreen pad. We're just going to put this aside for now, and we're going to be careful with this, really gentle. As you can see here, we have the suction cups, the wires, everything you'll need, an aux cord. There's going to be multiple places for you to mount this. It just depends on your preference. It depends on where you want to mount it, but they have the suction cups and mounts and everything for you. You got 3M right here. So they have everything provided for you. You got the aux cords, you got the cigarette lighting chargers, and memory card reader. Not currently needed. Please store it safely. But it supports the USB OTA updates if you're interested in that. So we pretty much have our cords, and you also have the user manual to walk you through your setup. And everything looks okay. So we're gonna set this up so I can use it, because again, I'm in desperate need to actually use this. And I'm gonna show you guys the issue I've been having with my maps. It's been like that here and there, but for the most part, Bluetooth has been working. Now for the navigation, however, you see, cannot unlock maps. I used to never have this issue within my first year of owning this car. This only happened during like my second year. So view maps, and it doesn't really show any landscape. Like it really doesn't. I mean, it shows this as far as the navigation, but when I actually get on the road, it just bugs out. It doesn't work. So thankfully I don't have to worry about this issue anymore, thanks to Carpod Go. And we're going to walk through the steps. I'm gonna actually just show you guys everything that we'll go through. But so I can no longer worry about this. I no longer have to worry about this and its weirdness. All right, so this right here is your windshield mount. It can be used for your windshield stability. It'll be nice and secured, and it will hold on your windshield. I may most likely use this. You have your 3M base right here, so this will help with the windshield mount. Again, this is the mount that I most likely may go for. You have your aux cord cable right here. This is your aux cord. You can use this to connect. So on the top, you have your USB port. Then you have your mic port, your camera in port, your auxiliary port, and a USB power port at the bottom. So this is a 8.9 inch display. The power output is a Type C. So the length is 229 millimeters. The width is 101 millimeters. And the thickness is 19 millimeters. It's pretty nice and lightweight. Again, this makes an amazing display with the dimensions and the inch of the display, which is again 8.9 inch. Looks really nice. It's really light, and it's pretty sturdy. So you guys should be nice and satisfied with this, and let's get to turning it on. So because my control panel has like a shape and I'm not sure it will stick well. I'm going to use the windshield method. I'm gonna go ahead and use the windshield method. So I'm going to get my 3M ready. I got my mount ready. You're gonna take this screen right here. You're gonna lefty loosey till it comes off, bam, like that. And again, I'm going to use the mirror mounting method. So first, we're going to take that small piece that we put aside, just put it here like that. Then we're going to take the screen, push it in like that. All right, it's rotating. It can extend too, but we want to secure it. So what you're going to do is push this in, make sure it gets pushed in. Then we're going to want to continue to tighten it like this. And it's nice and secure. Just make sure it's tight, boom. So now you can mount it on the window. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mount it on my windshield. I'm gonna mount it on my windshield. And this is also your way to adjust it. You have a knob right here. Extend it. Okay. And voila. So that's how it looks for me. All right, so we went ahead and plugged this in, and the cord is right here. I'll mount it later somewhere better. And right here, Apple CarPlay, we're going to go ahead and mount, or sorry, we're going to go ahead and connect our iPhone with this. So you'll want to go ahead and pair. So that's our device, and it should pop up. Yes, we're going to pair. Allow our contacts to sync, and it should be connecting. Apple CarPlay, please hold. Yes, we're going to use Apple CarPlay. And my setup is just the mirror mount along with this. So you're going to use this. It doesn't have a battery. You just connect it like your regular phone charger, for example. You just use that. And as you can see, it got our music, our events, our map, GPS, Apple iTunes and stuff, our maps. We go to iTunes right here. Of course, you got my music, got messages. Shout out to Adrian from the Speed Kings. I'm not gonna show our message, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you have a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, shout out to Carpod Go. Some other things, just some quick things. You have your backup camera. I don't need this because my car is automatically hooked up with a backup camera. My car already has a backup camera from factory, therefore I do not need it. And of course, you have Tesla 3Y. I'm guessing this is for the Model 3 and Model Y. This is absolutely amazing. I've needed this. Link will be in the description down below. Make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more automotive content. Thank you all for the support, and definitely get yourself this amazing display. Whether you have Android or Apple, Team Apple or Team Android, this will benefit you 100%. Link will be in the description down below. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Which one of these cars you gonna use? I might use the Celica, the Mazda, the Nissan, or the Toyota. I heard they had that PT Cruise on there too. Yeah, they got them Ferraris too. Which course we gonna use? Let's try the D4s. Yeah, I heard that was fly. 3, 2, 1, let's